Hey guys, this is Grace and welcome to my channel. So I'm doing something different today. I am doing a vlog and I don't usually do that because as you can see, no makeup. I did comb my hair, so I guess that's a good thing. But there's a few things why I wanted to do this vlog. First of all is that if you had watched my series last year with Nicole, totally forgot to, we've talked about this, that we were going to add 3 of the layouts that we really liked from all of the 12 that we've created for the year, and I forgot to do that in December. So let me do that first, and I'm going to make sure that I add the links to each of the videos that I'm talking about in the description below, so you will be able to see it and watch it for yourself. So the first one that I really liked was the February one. This is when she did the sandbox type of title, and I really love that, and how there were like 2 parts to her title. One was the background with the full letters, and then the other one was just half of it, but it's kind of on a wave, and I thought that was really cool title treatment, and I would like to try that one of these days. The second one was March. This one was the layout where she was documenting an event that her and her son went to, a dinosaur kind of museum, and I love the die cut frames. I know that I've seen Nicole Spohr do that before, and it was like a Christmas theme, but seeing Nicole S and then Nicole B's version, you could totally see that those die cut frames could be used for any type of theme, and it's just I love it because you can put pictures in it, or you can put scraps of paper behind it, or journaling or whatnot. It's just, there was a lot of ways that you can use those die cut frames. So that's my second one. And then my third one was the October one, where she did a Halloween page, and I just love the stickers. I'm a sucker for those kinds of cutesy stickers, and so I love that, and I'm going to try to do that one of these days. So those were the 3 layouts that stood out to me. All of them were great, but those were the 3 that I would definitely want to try, or I've seen like techniques that she did in that video that I would like to try sometime soon. Okay, so the second thing that the reason why I wanted to do this vlog is because I kind of wanted to tell you what you will expect in my channel for 2018. So I don't really do, or I don't really watch my analytics very often in YouTube, but once in a while I do, and that helps me to see what videos you guys watch, what people like from the videos that I upload. And so you will definitely see me do more of the homemade scrapbook kits. Definitely going to do that because it seems like a lot of people watch that. Another one that I did in 2017 that I'm going to continue with 2018 is the 10 handmade cards, 1 homemade kit videos. You guys seem to like that as well. I love that too. The only thing though that I will continue with the schedule of doing this every other month, so that I can spread myself a little bit further and I won't be too stressed out. But both of them, you will see them come up in 2018 as well. And then one thing that I did that I started, I think it was in the end of 2017, was I was doing mini series in my channel, and you guys seem to like that, and I like that too because it helps me to focus on a specific specific product or technique, and so I will be doing a lot more of that. I actually have one that I finished. I just need to finish the voiceover, and it's good. It's one of my favorite series, so I hope that you watch that. I am hoping to be able to upload that by the end of January. And another thing that you will see me share, of course, are process videos for scrapbooking. And so before I say the new thing that I'm going to be adding in my schedule as far as videos in my YouTube channels, let me tell you first what my one little word is for this year. So I have been kind of practicing one little word off and on since it started, and it's not that because I just don't like it, but sometimes there's no word that comes up for me anyways, with what I want to kind of embrace in that year. So for 2018, I've thought about it, and the word that came up that I would like to embrace this year is renew. because I felt like there was a lot of things that I really loved about life, or about, my habits or things that I've kind of let slip by in 2017. So the word renew for me just seems like I'm going to jumpstart and get back to the things that I love. So one of the things that I wanted to do is to renew my habit of reading my scriptures. Somehow, about a third of 2017, I stopped reading like every single morning because things come up. And so I want to go back to that habit. I want to renew some connections with old friends. It seemed like, life just gets so busy that I've kind of forgotten how, to keep in touch with some of my really good friends. So I want to do that this year. And then as far as scrapbooking is concerned, I want to renew my love for the supplies that I have. And that just means that, because I'm just thinking that there's a reason why I kept those items. I purged, like, I don't know, maybe twice in 2017, and there are still things that I have kept, and there's a reason why I kept them. It's because they bring me joy. So why am I not renewing my love for them? And so for me to be able to do that this year is I am going to go on a spending freeze. Now that is kind of scary for me. Not the idea of not being able to buy things, but I just don't want to fail in this goal. But I just want to think positive. And so one of the things that I am going to do to try to stay with that goal of a spending freeze is that I want to share at least once a month something that I will be doing to either kind of make a homemade embellishment or make my own titles or something that I will be able to use the items that I already have. So if you're not familiar with a spending freeze, there is a YouTuber, and she has a Facebook group that I belong to, and she did a spending freeze. What she did was she did not buy any items except adhesive, I think, like a scrapbook album, sheet protectors, things like that. Those are the only things that she bought, but she was able to make 100 layouts without buying any other stickers, ribbons, all that good stuff. And so I don't want to commit myself to 100 layouts because it will overwhelm me. So for me, I'm going to do it month by month. So for January, this is my only focus. I'm not going to be spending anything in January, not even adhesive, because I think that I have a lot of adhesives already. So that is my goals, and that is what you will expect from me in 2018. That is my one little word, and also my favorites from Nicole. I am sorry if I rambled, but I hope that you like this kinds of vlogs, and I will try to do another one in February, kind of update you on how my spending freeze is going and all of the other crafty things in my head or in my channel. And so that's it. If you have any questions, make sure that you leave it in the comment section below. If you like this kinds of videos, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. And if you like to watch more of the crafty videos that I do, make sure that you subscribe, and I will catch you guys another day. Bye.